Meanwhile, loopholes in the statement of assets, liabilities, and net worth found in the Corona impeachment trial are believed to have been plugged in the new and simpler form of SALN released by the Civil Service Commission. CSC Chairman Francisco Duque says the new SALN version is user-friendly as well as promotes and advocates transparency on the part of employees and officials. Freddy Abando with added details.
Former Chief Justice Renato Corona was a victim for his own failure to comply in disclosing truthfully his statement of assets and liabilities, which eventually led to his conviction by the Senate and his removal from office. It was a clear signal to all government officials and employees of the determination of the Aquino administration to clean up the bureaucracy of corruption. And the Civil Service Commission is the lead agency in this campaign and crusade. The Commission released the new Statement of Assets, Liabilities, and Net Worth, better known as SALN form, which is simpler and provides rules on how it should be filled up. The SALN will uncover red flags which could determine if there was illegally acquired wealth.
Titignan kung ito ba ay tama in terms of the form that is being used, and in this case, this is the new SALN form. Pangalawa, tama ba ang pagdeklara ng mga impormasyon na hinihingi doon sa SALN form? At pangatlo ay ang paalala na April 30 ang deadline. Although, kahit na April 30 ang deadline, kung may mga pagkakamali o pagkukulang doon sa pagdeklara sa bagong SALN form, binibigyan naman kayo sa ilalim ng ating guidelines ng 30 days within which to correct the SALN form that has been identified.
Every official of government will list their properties from real estate to vehicles, jewelries, and family expenses. So with tax payments, bank accounts, and liabilities. A compliance committee will review if the information listed in the SALN is correct. If there are mistakes, there is a period of 30 days to correct wrong entries. Deadline is April 30.
Kung talagang mahalaga, ilagay naman ninyo para talagang transparent at may hindi rin ito para sa inyong proteksyon. Dahil kung hindi mo ilalagay, tapos dumating kahit na malinaw naman, malinis ang pinanggalingan ng inyong pinag-bigay nitong mga pag-aaring ito, pantimado, ilagay nyo na. Kasi kung hindi, at saka mag-isip lang ito, ilalagay nyo pala ngayon, o sa susunod na deklarasyon, magkakaroon na yan ng pagkakulang kung paano kaya ito nakakuli. Pero syempre, matali naman yan.
Full compliance will now depend on the heads of agencies in government. Failure to do so will expose them to sanctions.
Na kapag ito ay hindi sinunod ng head of agencies, ay kakaroon ng kaparusahan, no? Yung simple neglect na ang katumbas na parusa nito ay suspension for 1 month, 1 day to 6 months on the first offense, and for the second offense, dismissal.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.